Yeah, what's going on everyone? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm kind of glad that for the majority of this video I'm not going to be in it, just because look at my hair, look at my beard, I look like an absolute mess. Cannot wait. I think there's like 20 days until I can get a fresh cut. I've not had a haircut since my birthday on the 9th of December. But as you would have seen on that little bit of the intro, I went to Winnats Pass, which is towards the Peak District. I think it's actually in the Peak District. So myself, my brother-in-law and his Audi RS3 8V, which I recently had on the channel. My brother's Audi RS3 8P, which you've all seen before, hopefully by now, the absolute stage 2 monster that it is. And also Marv, my good friend with the Golf GTI, which has also been on the channel. We all went down to Winnats Pass. We've been talking about it for a few weeks, to be fair. And the weather was really good, so I thought perfect opportunity for me to just head out and get everyone together and just smash it down towards the Peak District. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you do. Please do give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it when people give my videos a thumbs up. You drop a comment below. Let me know whether you like this new kind of format of filming, whether you'd like to see more of this stuff or a combination of me speaking, driving, reviewing, and you know, in combination with those kind of POV angles. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you enter my 1k Res Delete giveaway, where you can win a Res Delete like one of my Audi RS3 fitted and supplied. And if you don't want the Res Delete, I'll give you the cash alternative. But that's on my car Instagram only, S3 Range. But make sure you follow me on all my other social media platforms. I always appreciate the love and appreciation. Blah, blah. And lastly, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You hit that bell icon for future notification. And until next time, take it easy and look after yourself. And just quickly before I go, next week's video is either going to be on the big brake kit install. I'm just waiting on a few more components to kind of get the whole kit together. Or it will be on either another car review. So either, I might even do some draggy times. Let me know what you want to see next. But I have got some videos already done. So like review this Focus RS. I actually got to drive it, and I've just recently reviewed a Audi RS3 8V facelift saloon MRC stage 1. But yeah, until next time, take it easy. Is it round here, yeah?
This is Winnats Road, apparently, but we're on the left now.
Okay, cool.
You take a left and then you go down the road, but there's them fucking metal railings, just go bare slow over them.
Yeah. It'd be good if we could get like, if I could like stand over and then like get some shots of you, like kind of like a bird's eye view.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, national speed limit road, this?
Nah, no chance.
It just said?
Yeah, I don't want to do national limits. People walking down here, man. Once I was flying down a national road and somebody walked out from like a hole in the wall, man.
Bloody hell.
Since then, I shit myself. I always take it easy around here.
You gotta be careful, innit, man?
Oh wow, that is pretty cool, not gonna lie.
Holy shit.
You know, I'm gonna give it a little shaggy, yeah.
Oh, I hate that.
I'm opening my window. Like, I'm muting you guys a little bit, yeah. Oh wow. Oh shit, Bobby, the sheep are gonna go crazy over your car. Wow, that is insane. Eh?
We'll make some. Take grab a sheep and we'll make something. Yeah, just fucking park in the middle and then you get some sick shots with the thingies in the background.
Yeah.
Where are we parking?
Yeah, park there and then like one at a time if people want to get their shots they'll have to thingy in it. Keep them. It's like a paying display.
Oh shit. Yeah, alright, cool, I'll park my car out the way then. Oh shit, that one's reserved for only staff. Alright, I fucked it then, haven't I?
Why are we parking? Just do a left.
I've just parked in a staff space. Oh shit, sorry.
Fuck it. I'll move out of the way.
Nah, don't even worry about it. I won't worry.
I've gone to the top of these stones, man. I don't know, Raj, you might make it up here, but some big ass humps, man.
Oh, why? Because are you talking about the stones, yeah?